Welcome to the New Lemurian. I'm your host, Oribel, Joy Divine. If vaccine becomes mandatory, remember who we are. We can talk to our cellular structure and ask it to void the vaccine and release all that is not benevolent for our system. This is mastery over our biology. Give instructions to your cells right before you get vaccinated. Do not hold contempt for anyone or anything associated with the vaccination program. Another thing to note, raise the vibration of your cells to the frequency of source energy, and nothing of low vibration can harm you, and nothing of low vibration can remain in you. How do you do that, you may ask? Take a moment to find a space where you won't be disturbed so you can communicate to your cells. You may say something like this: Dear cells in my body, raise my vibrational frequency to that of the God inside. Nothing of low vibration can exist in my body, and nothing of low vibration can enter my body. Do so now. Then breathe deeply and slowly to allow your body to do just that. Do this on a daily basis. Remember also that source energy is love, and this is something you can do daily as well. Shut your eyes and emanate love for 2 minutes straight. If you wish to place your hands on your heart, go ahead and do that. Practice doing this throughout your day, on a daily basis. Take 2 minutes each time to emanate love. When it becomes a habit, you can turn on that love inside you and spread that wonderful magic wherever you go. And you drive away any negative thoughts. Learn to be a walking love machine. In closing, here is a reminder from Spirit. Love is the most powerful magic in the universe. I'm Oribel Joy Divine, in service to the One Infinite Creator.